This short video is designed to show you how to use linguistics and language behavior abstracts for research. Go into MyUSF first, where you'd log into Canvas, but instead of Canvas, under Learning and Teaching Tools, select Library Services. Once there, find Books, Catalog. Then enter Linguistics and Language Behavior Abstracts, and search. When it comes up, you do not want the print version, you want the ebook version. Click on the URL. You can do a basic search. There's an advanced search if you have a more complicated search you want to do. Let's do an advanced search for Spanglish. We'll leave it in anywhere so it gets abstract, full text, publication title. We can select all dates. Let's select books, conference papers and proceedings, and scholarly journals, but leave out dissertations and theses. And just select English and search. We have 28 results. Linguistics and language behavior abstracts always sorts by relevance first. That may mean that you have older things. This search doesn't look too bad. We've got 2005, 1999, but some searches may come up with things that are really old. So I like to search and sort by publication date, most recent first. That may mean we turn up a few things that aren't as relevant, but mostly we'll be fine. Becoming bilingual, becoming ourselves, archival memories of Spanglish in early California epistolary texts. Sounds interesting. Let's find out more about it. The advantage of this database is that it has abstracts, short descriptions of what's happening in the source. So we find out this study is part of a larger project. And language educators and linguists need to rethink Spanish and Spanglish beyond English-centric memory. That sounds very useful. So I'm going to go back to my main list, and I'm going to select this one. Creative use of Spanglish to express a hybrid identity in Chicana heritage language learners of Spanish. Sounds useful. If I'm not interested in teaching literature in Spanglish, I might skip this one. Subversive English in Raining Backwards, a different kind of Spanglish. That sounds like a literary text to me. Ah yes, it's a novel, and I'm not so interested in that. So I go back and discover that it has deselected my items. So you have to be careful on this. It will deselect some items. Aha, on so-called Spanish, Ricardo Othegui, Nancy Stern. This is a very important article. Definitely want to have that. And you can go through the list. There's 28 items. I'm not going to go through all of them, but once you've been through them, you can view your selected items. You can then save, email, print, cite, export, save using various different possibilities. So you have ways to keep these in a useful format depending on how you want to do it. And that's how to use linguistics and language behavior abstracts.